This one is a 1980 Smith Corona Classic 12. Probably the newest machine I've ever had. 1980. Most of them are much older than that. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. It's got a paper tray back here that springs up, and these are the margins. So you can set them right at the beginning and the end of the page. Preset. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space, it skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Switch it up here like this. It actually has 1, 1.5, and 2. We're gonna keep it on 1 for now. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them stick or skip. Type a sentence in red. Switch that down to get the red portion of the ribbon. Types really nice. This is a daily typer. Really smooth and easy to type on. The print is really nice. Show you how to use the rest of the functions. Pull out the paper easy. You just flip this switch right here and it just pulls right out. What it does is it disengages the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull it out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy. So it's got a backspace. That works good. This is the ribbon selector switch. We already did that. That works good. It's got a touch control right here that the higher the control, the harder you gotta hit the key. So I keep that on low. I like that on low. This one's got a power space. Pretty cool function. It's also got a half space. It's got a tab. So if you want to set a tab right there. You just hit the set button and then you hit that and it goes and stops at that spot. And you can clear it by hitting clear. And then you have no tabs anymore. Spool cover opens from the top there. And this is how you change the direction of the ribbon. If you push it back, it'll pull to this side. And if you push it towards you, it'll pull to that side. Since all the ribbon's on this side, we want it to pull to that side, so we're going to keep it that way. The margins, you just move them just like this. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.